to Thursday's survey question, and it goes like this. 46% of people wish that these were never invented. And the answer was, and Annie's going to tell you now. Tell me the answer, Annie. Smartphone. That's smartphones. That was the answer, smartphones. And I've got Friday's survey question for you now. It's a little bit different. Experts say Monday is the best day to buy this. Experts say Monday is the best day to buy this. That's your survey question for Friday. Okay, say goodbye, Annie. Bye bye. Survey question. Good girl. YouTuber, sorry. I've got the comments that you made. There's 3 people that actually made the comments, and one of you got it correct 100%. But first of all, I'm going to go with Top Dog X, and she said the internet, which is possibly correct. I'll give you 1 point for the internet. Fox, the cutest dog in the West, she said a smartphone. Well done to Fox, the cutest dog in the West. She got it 100% correct. And last but not least is Steve's Weekender, and he said television. Well, I think that everybody loves television. I love television, and I also love internet. But I don't have a smartphone, so that's probably why I've not bought a smartphone, because I think a lot of people wish they were never invented, especially when children have got them, and you can't talk to children when they've got a smartphone. So anyway, that's the answer to Thursday's survey question. Please do have a go at Friday's survey question. And now I'm going to say it once more. Experts say that Monday is the best day to buy this. Okay, so have a think over the weekend, and let's see what we can get on Monday. See how many answers we've got. All the very best. Say goodbye, Annie. Bye bye. Bye bye. Good girl. Now, hopefully you will subscribe to my channel, comment, like, hit that bell, and I'll see you all on Monday. All the very best. Have a lovely weekend. Bye bye for now. Bye bye.